Hey, what's going on, folks? How's everybody making out today? Well, I got a couple pieces here. I got a couple case pieces, and I got two Rough Riders up here. Opposites, two totally different opposite knives. But there's a reason for what I'm doing here. I'm going to start with the Mini Folding Hunters by Case. These are, to me, some of the finest knives in my collection. They are Mini Folding Hunters. I do believe that these were also in the Vault series. So I wanted to take a look at these and break them down. And if you guys have any of these for sale that you are not using, or that you want to sell, or that you know of anybody that wants to sell these, I'm your guy. I think that they're just some of the best pieces of cutlery that Case came out with. So let's take a look at them. These are in no particular order. This is blue. I think this is like a blue Curanite. Real nice shield in there. These are made extremely, extremely well. They're a smaller knife, but boy, could they really get the work done. You've got that beautiful clip blade there. And let me tell you, let me explain to you that these are no, how do I say it? These aren't novelty knives. If you look at the size and you think that they won't do anything, you feel these blades. They are like little scalpels. They fit wonderful in a custom little. You have to make a little slip for it. They fit fantastic in a little slip. They are just absolutely fantastic. Look at that little Skinner blade on this thing. Look at the profile on that knife. Tell me that's not cool. If that's not a cool knife, then I tell you what, I don't know what is. But again, these were in the Vault series a while ago, a few years back. I don't know how many years ago they came out. But check the yellow Delrin. How cool this yellow Delrin is. I mean, again, you've got that awesome clip blade there. And they're really not that small. Like, I could almost, I'm just missing the pinky. Like, I could get a good purchase on this knife. I could get a decent purchase on it. And they just fit real nice. And like I said, they fit real nice in a slip in your pocket. The fit and finish is real nice on them. Action is just, the action is just really, really good. Again, that Skinner blade is just so cool looking and so effective. Just so effective as a little cutter. It's just so effective as a little cutter. So you got that one there. This one here, you're going to check this out, man. This is in buffalo horn. Look at the covers on that little guy. Just look at the covers, how beautiful those covers are. Look at that. It's a beautiful little knife here, guys. I don't know if you have any of these or you've picked these up when these came out. I tried to get as many as I could, but they sold out quick, man. They went. As quick as I was trying to get them, that's as quick as they sold out. So I was only able to get 5 of them. And they really don't come up. If they came up on the secondary market, I'd be all over them. Got that Skinner blade again with against the black covers. Just awesome. I mean, just really, really a nice little collection here. You know what I mean? If you're looking to collect something, look at this. I forget what they call this, but you'll never find this particular knife here. It's Sparks Gold Stardust Curanite. This one here is a very rare piece to find. It's just, look how cool that thing is, man. Look at that. Real happy to have this in my collection. Just a fun piece right here. This is what you call a piece that you're going to pull out of your pocket that nobody's going to ever have. You're not going to find somebody with this in their pocket. It's a rare bird. This one here is a rare bird, and for the most part, these are all rare. They don't come up. They don't come up. That's why I'm showing them. Fit and finish on it, very good fit and finish. Real nice snap. The action's real nice on them. Check out these bolsters, how cool them bolsters are. Just a very cool piece. Last one here is you got this red jig with that beautiful shield there. Very cool piece. USA. Just can't get enough of this one either. Stamped right down here. It's got the USA. You can see USA there. Just another very unique piece. Very hard to find. These little folding hunters. And I love them. I love them. And then you got, what is this? The Copperhead. This is the Long Rifle series. I've got this knife here, this particular one. It's got checkered bone. I probably have this in my collection roughly about 20 years. This is the Copperhead. And this knife probably ran me about $15. And the reason why I'm showing it is because it is, to me, that good of a piece of cutlery. I love this series. Rough Rider comes out with this series every now and then. They come out with different series. This is Rough Rider's second time. I'll show you the red one. That's also the Long Rifle series. But they're made so well, and they're so stinking cheap. I mean, if you want a good pocket knife, this to throw in your pocket, you don't want to worry about beating it up, prying. You could pry paint lids with it or do whatever you want with it, which I would never do anyway. Here's your knife right here. If you don't have a lot of money to spend on your knife, well, here you go. You're getting a really nice piece here. Now, I don't know if this one's still around. I bought this one about 20 years ago. But this is the new series out. They came out with the red bone Long Rifle series. And it just, again, the fit and finish, I think this was 16. I think it was 16 bucks or something. This is the Sow Belly. You could get these in all different variants, all different styles. They make them in all the styles. I just wanted to pick this one up. I love Sow Bellies. And just look at it. I mean, for the money you're going to pay, I mean, yes, it's an egg roll knife. We all know that. It's an egg roll knife. And that's all there is to it. But you know something? But just, it's stamped Long Rifle on there. You got the tang stamp there, Rough Rider. It's a good series. It's a really nice series. They got quite a few long rifle knives in their series that really, I might pick up a couple more, because they're made. I mean, you can't pass them up for the money they're giving to you. I mean, they're cheap. They're just cheap, and they're made. These are made better. I'll bet you these are made better than some case knives. Now, the steel is a different thing. I don't even care about the steel. It's 440A. We tested 440A before. Patty Potato Peelers. I'll never forget it. He tested 440A, and he couldn't wear it out. He was cutting cardboard with 440A steel, and it held up a long, long while until he said he proved his point, and he stopped cutting the cardboard and said, the test is now over. I proved my point. 440A is a reputable steel and will hold up for a good while. So don't let 440A scare you away. You're not gonna. There's nothing you're not gonna beat up your 440A steel and dull it in 5 seconds. It's not the way it goes. It's not the way it is. But I just wanted to show you these. This one just came out, and they come out with this long rifle series every now and again, but these are on Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and I tell you what, they're just cool, you know what I mean? The rifle on the bone, the bone's done really well, this red bone, and like I said, they are very, very cheap. I do believe that everyone can afford these knives. And I just wanted to give you a look in case you were looking for a good knife and you don't really have all the coin to put out. I always show mostly upper end knives, but I do still have a collection of cheaper knives. I do collect cheaper knives. I do. And I don't have a lot of Chinese knives, but I do buy Chinese knives from time to time. I do buy them because maybe I'm just weak like that, or you could call me what you will call me. I just can't pass by a booth and see this particular knife sitting there and just pass it up. I can't do it. I can't do it. But anyway, that's here nor there. I just wanted to give you a look at them. And that's it. And these knives here, back to these knives, and I'll let you guys go. If you have these knives in your collection and you want to sell them, or you're doing of no use with these, let me know. I will buy them off of you. I will buy these knives off of you because I'm looking to grow this collection, this folding hunter collection. I'm looking to pick up a few more pieces for this collection. So let me know if you see any out there, or if you have any. I'm your guy. And that's about it for now. You guys be good, man. Be well, be safe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.